Hi, Doodles. Can you wave to Daddy? Wave.
Okay. Good job, Heather.
I'm sorry, Ben. Nice, honey, that looks good.
Ben, you want?
Oh my
Ben, you want to try a blue one?
Okay, go ahead and dip.
Wow, look at that. What a fancy color.
Mother's probably ready for another night.
Wow, you're going to paint it all, huh, Jess? That's great.
Painting was
Done.
There you go, yeah.
Did you get a snapshot too? A video. So what'd you say?
I know what? I can wash my hands off in
What?
water.
In water?
Over there.
Is there some over there? Okay. You did a great job.
Rubbing. Rub your hands together, real tight. Rub them together. Get your hands in and out like this, fingers. There you go.
He's good. You guys did a beautiful job. See him? Who is it?
Come on, go, Jesse.
Okay.
Come on, Jesse.
Let's get this other boy.
Yeah. Two wigglies.
Take that allowed.
Two wigglies. You think you'd like to drag this? I'm sorry.
Mark, I'm taking a video.
Jesse, look at all that. Whoops. Hey, you want to talk on the microphone? Yeah. Look at all these buttons up here. What do you think all these are for?
Hey, don't close me out.
That's a button. We have a radio and a CD player and air conditioning.
You think he can hear you?
Hello? Dada? Can't hear me.
He's talking to the driver. You see him out there? What does that say, Jess? Doorbell for this truck. This is a great truck.
It is. Ready? You use the pay toilet?
The pay toilet.
I'll be right back. I'm just going to go down to the milk thing.
Whoa.
That's good.
Wow.
Wow, Jess. No, that's okay. You're in a good spot.
Can you go fast? Wow, it has a walkie-talkie and everything, huh, Jess?
Hello. Hey, Pumpkin. Look at the size of that tire. Hey, Jess. Hi. Too busy. Ah.
Oh my goodness, look at all that.
Scott, we just and then we go look at the